What if I told you that a pull-up bar, a floor, and your own body weight is all you need to build a physique that turns heads? No gym, no machines, no excuses. Most beginners waste months jumping between random workouts, never seeing results because nobody gave them the right starting point. Today, I'm giving you the only 7 calisthenics moves a beginner actually needs. And by the end of this video, you'll never question your home workout again. Why calisthenics works. Here's what the fitness industry doesn't want you to know. Your body is the most sophisticated piece of equipment ever built. Every machine in that fancy gym, it's just trying to mimic what your body weight already does, naturally. Calisthenics builds real, functional strength. The kind that carries over into everything you do, not just the gym. Real life, every day. And the best part? You can do every single one of these moves right where you're standing. Exercise 1. Standard push-ups. The push-up is the foundation of every upper body calisthenics program, and most people are doing it wrong. Get into a plank position, hands shoulder-width apart, body straight from head to heels. Lower your chest all the way to the floor, elbows at 45 degrees, not flared out. Then push back up explosively. That's 1 rep. This builds your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 2. Bulgarian split squats. Most beginners skip legs. Look unbalanced. The Bulgarian split squat fixes everything. Single leg strength, glute activation, and balance, all at once. Find a chair or a couch. Place your back foot on it and lower your front knee toward the floor. Keep your chest tall, front foot flat, and drive through your heel to come back up. 3 sets, 8 reps each leg. Exercise 3. Australian pull-ups. Can't do a full pull-up yet? Perfect. Because the Australian pull-up is how you get there. Find a table, a low bar, or even 2 chairs with a broomstick across them. Hang underneath at an angle, chest up, body straight, like a plank. Pull your chest to the bar, squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top, and lower yourself with control. This builds your back and biceps from scratch. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 4. Hollow body hold. This is the exercise most beginners have never heard of. And it's the one that changes everything. Lie flat on your back. Press your lower back into the floor. Arms overhead, legs straight and lifted, slightly off the ground. Hold. Your entire core, not just your abs, but your deep stabilizing muscles, fires up completely. Start with 3 sets, 20 to 30 second holds. Exercise 5. Glute bridge. Your posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, lower back is the engine of your entire body. And most beginners completely ignore it. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Drive your hips straight up. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower with control. 15 reps. Add a backpack with books for resistance when it gets too easy. You already know that trick. Exercise 6. Inverted rows. A pushing muscle without a pulling muscle is a recipe for injury. The inverted row balances everything out. Hang under a low bar, body straight. This time, focus on driving your elbows back and squeezing your upper back hard at the top. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 7. Pike push-ups. No gym means no overhead press machine, but your shoulders still need to grow. Get into a downward dog position, hands shoulder width apart, Bend your elbows and lower the top of your head toward the floor. Then, push back up. This builds those boulder shoulders. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. There it is. 7 moves. 0 equipment. 1 complete beginner blueprint. But here's the truth. Nobody tells you. The workout was never the hard part. Showing up tomorrow and the day after. And the day after that, that's where the physique is built. Consistency isn't glamorous. It doesn't get likes on Instagram, but it gets results. If you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, hit that subscribe button.